Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss seed and fruit development. So the goal of reproduction is formation of seed and fruit. So the flowers must be pollinated in order to produce seeds and fruit. So this is bean seed dicotyledon and this is maize seed monocotyledon. So we are going to discuss these two structures one by one. Seeds sometimes consist of two distinct coverings. A typical outer seed coat. Outer seed coat is called testa. Inner seed coat is called tegmen. It is thin and membranous. The nucellus in the ovule may persist in some genera like black pepper, kali miri. Black pepper means kali miri, and beet as a thin papery layer. In perisperm, in some seeds, the food reserve in the endosperm are partially used up in development of an embryo. Obviously, in such seeds, the endosperm remains conspicuous and fills a greater part of seed. Thus, the resultant seed is endospermic or albuminous. Example is castor, coconut or maize. म्हणजे काय असतं, काही बियांमधलं जे न्यूसेलस असतं ते तसंच राहतं. ते कशात असतं, ब्लॅक पेपर किंवा बीटमध्ये. त्याला म्हणतात पेरिस्पर्म. आणि काही याच्यात एंडोस्पर्म पार्शली यूज केलं जातं. काही याच्यात कॉन्स्पिक्युअस फॉर्ममध्ये रिमेन राहतं त्याच्यात आणि त्यामुळं त्या सीडचा जास्त भाग व्यापला जातो. अशा ह्यांना सीडना काय म्हणतात, एंडोस्पर्मिक और अल्ब्युमिनस सीड्स. एक्झाम्पल इज कॅस्टर, कोकोनट और मेज. इन अदर सीड्स एम्ब्रियो ॲब्सॉर्ब्स फूड रिझर्व. कोणाचा फूड रिझर्व म्हणून वापर केला जातो, एंडोस्पर्मचा. Thus endosperm disappears in mature seeds, resultant in non-endospermic or X-albuminous, pea, bean, etc. The cotyledons in some non-endospermic seeds act as a food storage, and in others they are the first photosynthetic organs. Now we will discuss the significance of seed and fruit formation. तर सीडचा काय उपयोग असेल, तर त्या सीडमुळं रिप्रोडक्शनची प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होते आणि फ्रूटमुळं त्या सीडचं बीचं प्रोटेक्शन होतो. सो वन बाय वन we will discuss. Fruits provide nourishment to the developing seeds. Fruits protect the seeds in immature condition. Seeds serve as important propagating organs of plant. Seed and fruits develop social devices for their dispersal and thus help in the distribution of species. Dormancy is a state of metabolic arrest that facilitates the survival of organisms during adverse environmental conditions. Structural or physiological adaptive mechanism for survival is called dormancy. Mature and viable seeds will not germinate even in the presence of favorable conditions, and they are dispersed at different places during dormancy. Viable seeds germinate only after completion of dormancy period. So you have to practice the two diagrams, one with monocotyledon, this maize, and one with dicotyledon seed, bean seed. Okay, and you have to remember the names.